You know, I could stare at reflections in water for hours. I mean, look at this. It's nice little trees, sunset, Mathceratopses. Everything's more beautiful when it's reflected in water. For whatever reason, I have no idea. Let's talk about this transformation called a reflection. And it's called a reflection because they're actually quite related to reflections in ordinary life, like we see it like this. If you notice on a reflection like this, grab my line. If you were to draw a line where the sky meets the water, I feel like that should be a song. This probably already is a song, where the sky meets the water. Anybody? So when you draw a line where the sky meets the water, if you look at corresponding points, the original image and the reflection, the reflected image, like the top of that dead tree right there, it looks like it's about, I don't know, on my screen it's maybe 2 inches from here to this line. And the same thing in the reflected image. It's also about, I don't know, 2 inches. Let's see. Like the distance from there to the line, that's about the same. It's not completely the same, unfortunately, in this picture because of the angle of the photographer when he's taking the picture or she's taking the picture. But you get the idea. Just look at the top of the tree there. The distance from the top of that tree to the line, it's about the same as the top of the tree in the reflected image to the line. So that's the basic definition of reflection. Let's look at it more mathematically here. Get rid of that guy. I guess Mathceratops can stay. Why not? Feeling generous today. So, oops. So if you look at this triangle here, it's been reflected across the x-axis, and I'm choosing to call the x-axis my mirror line, the line which defines this reflection. So look at these corresponding points. Point 1 here is 1, 2 units above the mirror line, and the corresponding point 1 in the reflection is also 1, 2 away from the mirror line. If you look at point 2 here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away from the mirror line. Same thing with number 2 in the reflection. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the basic idea of reflection. You take a mirror line and then take all the corresponding points and put them the same distance away from your mirror line as the original image.